The Caesar cipher is a form of substitution cipher, named after the Roman general Julius Caesar, and is one of the earliest known substitution ciphers used by Caesar to communicate back to Rome while he was conquering Europe. You see, Caesar knew that there were several risks when sending messages, many of which were uncontrollable. However, he could control the cipher he used to encrypt his messages. The basic concept of the cipher Caesar used is very simple today, however, would have been sophisticated in Roman times. Imagine Caesar wanted to send this message back to Rome encrypted. To do this, he used a substitution cipher, meaning he shifted or rotated each letter by 3 places. Hence, Caesar's cipher is known as ROT3. So, to further illustrate, the letter A in ROT3 would be the letter D, and B would be E, and C would be F, etc., etc. And once the end of the alphabet was met, you simply wrap around to the beginning so that X becomes A, Y becomes B, etc., etc. As simple as it may seem, this Roman cipher laid the foundation to the future of encryption. Key exam tip: remember ROT, R for Rome, R for rot, R for rotate, and that the Caesar cipher is a mono-alphabetic cipher. So, to recap, Caesar cipher is easy to use and easy to crack using frequency analysis. Of course, there are a lot more complicated mathematical computations of ciphers these days, which will be explained in future videos, so please be sure you have liked and subscribed if not already to this channel. And thank you to all our subscribers who have kept this channel growing incredibly over the last few months. See you all in the next video.